with horror. Well, so I said एक ही है जो synonymous है horror के साथ जिनका नाम, और वो है हमारी इंडिया की horror queen बिपाशा बासु. So I said कुमार जी अगर हम बिपाशा बासु के साथ पिक्चर बनाएंगे तो मैं horror बनाऊंगा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि बनाते हैं, और बिपाशा के पास गए हम, and she was kind enough to like our film and do our film. And here she is. So please may I welcome Bipasha Basu on stage, please. And with this, now I'd like to pass the words to all of us, actually.
Good evening, everyone. The horror queen is here. As I just heard that I have become the horror queen of Hindi film industry. इतना काम किया है, इतने साल हो चुके हैं, सबको पहचानती हूँ यहाँ पे. It's wonderful to have you all, always supporting our films. This one is special. For me, it is more of a love story. Yes, it is the horror genre. We will scare you. And as you have seen the posters, last 2 days on the social networking sites, all that I'm getting is stunning and scary at the same time. So it's quite interesting. And somebody actually, lots of people tweeted that scary is the new sexy. So we are trying to make a very sexy film and to entertain you. And Alone is all that. It's entertaining. It's going to scare you. There's a lot of romance, emotions, great songs, nice chemistry. And I have to say, the captain of the ship is fantastic. Bhushan Patel has made a wonderful film. I have seen the film, and I have loved it. So I'm just waiting for 16th of Jan. It's a very special month for me, again, my birthday month. And I hope that this, the audience gives me a big gift by watching this film and making it a super success. Thank you.
Thank you, Bipasha. Well, since we are talking about chemistry, let's move on to the next person that I'm about to call on. Well, he has been the heartthrob of television, and you've seen him on Dil Mil Gaye, Kabool Hai, Fear Factor, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, and many more. He's desired by girls all around, and he is now the new Greek god. So please welcome none other than Karan Singh Grover. Woohoo!
Yeah, sorry. Sorry about that. That's a few words already. Sorry.
That's nice. It's okay.
Yeah. So I think I'll just reserve whatever I have to say till we all watch the trailer. Yeah.
Say something.
You must say something.
I'm just really honored to actually be a part of this team and to have this as a film that introduces me. I'm just really, really happy and excited, and that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking right now what to say. So while you guys are watching the trailer, then I'll think and say properly. Yeah.
He's very good in the film, that much I can tell you guys. Both of them together are magic. The chemistry, we'll speak about all this after we see the trailer. So I think now what we should do is, lady, watch the trailers, guys. Yeah?
As Mr. Patel says it. So he says, let's watch the trailer, let's watch the trailer. Could I please request all of you all to kindly take your seats as we have the trailer of Alone for everybody here today. Presenting Bipasha Basu and Karan Singh Grover, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you. What was this?
Even we had no idea.
I got so
effect आ गया ये तो.
I got so scared. Presenting.
Okay, members of the media, we'll have more time for photo opportunity. You've done characters which are romantic, so why horror?
See, as an actor and as a person, I'm not genre biased. So it's not something that I think before I decide what to do next. It's true that people have seen me and want to see me in a more romantic kind of a genre, but it's an excellent script. That's why this. It's not because of the genre.
Fantastic. And now, not one, but a lot of people refer to you as a horror queen. So what do you think of this?
Well, I really don't know how to react to this. Yes, I think I've done like 60 films, and I have done equal number of in all genres. But yes, of late I have done a lot of supernatural films in the horror genre. My thing is, I want to do films that give me roles that excite me and entertain the audiences and something new to do. And that's it. That's the way I look at it. There's no really plan that I wanted to be a horror queen. But yes, it's a genre which has not been encouraged much in our business. And it definitely can get a lot of eyeballs, and it's very entertaining to watch in the theaters. And worldwide, it's a big business. So definitely, this business needs more credible people coming forward and pushing this genre. And if I'm the sole crusader #1, then I enjoy it. It's fine. You call me horror queen, I'm good with it, as long as you watch my film and get entertained.
Fantastic. Members of the media, we are opening the session for Q&A. So if you have questions.
Bipasha, to your left here. To your left. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm
Here.
Yeah.
Can you see me? I'm in black.
I see you now.
Yeah, you see me now. I can see you now. What a trailer, Bipasha. Both scary as well as sexy. It's after a long time we are seeing you in this bold avatar. Can we say that the Bipasha Basu of Jism is back?
Well, I said this initially. Somebody had asked me during some time back. Yes, it's quite an interesting role because I get to play two people in one film. So there's a kind of a switch that I have to have. And it's a love story. It's very passionate. It is definitely the horror genre. It's going to scare you, but it revolves around a love story. It's a love story between a man, woman, and a ghost. So that's very sexy. Like I said, sexy is the new scary. And you will see a lot of passion, a lot of love in this film. And yes, it is definitely going to be my boldest film that I've ever done, till now.
We didn't see the sexy aspect in Creature 3D, so why was it injected in this movie?
Well, it's a part of the script. This is a love story. So it's not injected. It is the the germ of the film. The film is a love story. So Creature, I couldn't really romance the creature. It was tough.
Hi, Bipasha. Urvi here, to your left again.
Okay. Yeah, hi.
Hi. Off late, you accepted that you're doing horror films. Do you think you're being typecast as
Yes, ma'am. This business is all about typecasting. You guys, everybody wants to typecast. When you talk about the biggest of actors, whether it's Salman Khan, whether it's Akshay Kumar, everybody seems to be doing their same kind of films. So everyone's typecast. And if the audiences want to see you that way, then definitely you can't take that away from them. So you have to give them what they want to see you as. And at the same time, you have your own creative juices flowing as an actor, and you decide that you want to do some different kind of projects at times. So you need to keep a balance of both. So it's okay to be stereotyped here because, we make very few very different films. My intention is to be a part of those films, and if horror genre is going to give me that podium, I'm going to lap it up.
भूषण पटेल से मेरा सवाल है, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन, इसमें अलोन कौन बना और फिल्म का टाइटल है अलोन रखने का रीजन क्या है?
कौन बना?
आप पिक्चर देखें,
अलोन कौन बना?
फिर हम सवाल का जवाब देंगे। अलोन बहुत लोग बनते हैं, मैं भी अलोन था काफी पिक्चर बनाने तो समय मैं नहीं, बट अलोन जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि अलोन क्यों और कौन। अभी मैं बता दूंगा तो शायद मजा किरकिरा हो जाए पिक्चर का। And to everyone, honestly, just 1 second, I want to say about the horror queen part. As being a horror filmmaker myself, I made 3. If people like me who make horror films need a star in a film, none of the stars do horror films except for this lady here. She is the only star amongst ladies, amongst the women, the lady actors who actually has the balls to do a horror film. So, I mean, why not? And it's kudos to her. And Ajay Devgan is, apart from her, Ajay is the only person who's done a horror film. I wonder why the stars don't do the horror films, but if this girl here does horror films, then I'm very happy, and she is my horror queen for sure, yeah.
Karan, how was it here? Karan,
Hi.
how was it romancing the sexy, bold Bipasha on screen? Did you get intimidated by her on your own?
Did I get intimidated?
100 points to you. Did I intimidate you?
No, it was
Your own, I said.
once in a lifetime kind of experience. It's very close to what people call divine. Let me see. Intimidated? No, I wasn't intimidated by her. But it's. What was the question again? Romancing her, yeah. Close to divine. That's what I'll stick to that. No, I try not to pick up any leaves from any real lives.
कुमार जी, what was the reason जो हमें dress code black और red का कहा था? What was the reason behind that? And we're not seeing the main lead in black or red.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था, अभिषेक, भूषण जी और मैंने, कि हम लोग ब्लैक पहन के आएंगे।
The press was told to wear black.
या ब्लैक क्योंकि फिल्म हॉरर है और जॉनर हुआ है, उसलिए ब्लैक बोला गया था स्पेशल।
और red?
For the blood, man. There's a lot of blood. And plus, I just realized these seats are also red, so maybe to mind that.
My question to Bhushan ji. Sir, in terms of, actors, we mostly say that typecasting. So in terms of filmmaking, you don't think that you are typecasting your filmmaking skills?
अभी हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट तो नहीं किया है कि कौन सबसे ज्यादा अलोन है।
अगर आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं कितने लोगों के साथ बैठा हूँ, तो आपको रियलाइज होगा कि मैं तो अलोन नहीं हूँ।
आपके लिंकअप्स की भी खबरें बहुत आ रही थी, सो वो पब्लिक
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी मुझे।
अच्छा, वहाँ आके चिल्लाओ।
आओ तो पीछे मिलो।
आ जाओ।
चिल्लाओ।
आपके लिंकअप की भी खबरें आ रही
नहीं, मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी। देखिए, एक्चुअली ना, जो इस बारे में जो मुझे बोलना था वो मैं ट्वीट कर चुका हूँ ट्विटर पे, एंड इफ यू गाइस कुड जस्ट try and respect that and not ask me anything else. Karan, but are you single right now? Yeah. Who's asking? You're asking.
The lady in pink.
You ask, definitely, man. Let's meet. Let's wine and dine together.
And
So
like
what?
your mother.
I'll be a good son.
and what about Bipasha? Is Bipasha single?
I'm single till I'm married. Yes, ma'am. I've said this many a times. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm really working very hard, giving you guys these exciting films to watch. And, we'll talk about these things on some other podium. I think we should focus on the film that we're talking about here. इतनी मेहनत की हम लोगों ने, आप लोग क्या पूछते रहते हो यार?
Bipasha ma'am here. You have worked with Vikram Bhatt and you are working with Bhushan Patel, both in a horror genre. तो अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि इन दोनों के बीच में कैसी क्वालिटी बताए, कैसा रहा काम करना भूषण पटेल जी के साथ, तो कैसा एक ऐसी क्वालिटी जो विक्रम सर में थी और इनमें अलग डिफरेंशिएट कीजिए तो।
देखिए, ये लोग एक्चुअली बहुत क्लोज हैं, विक्रम और भूषण, और क्लोजली दे हैव वर्क टुगेदर आल्सो. So I would say there are little similarities, but there is a lot of difference also. And देखिए, आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आप समझेंगे. As an actor, both now are my favorite directors, because I love Vikram. Vikram's my dearest friend, and that definitely is a long-standing, equation that we have. Bhushan I have met on this film. He's also become a very dear friend besides being a good director. Comparing both would not be fair, but there are similarities, and at the same time they have their own strengths. And I'm very lucky that I've gotten to work with both of them.